pumpkins? Where's the pumpkin? Over here? Oh my goodness, look at all those pumpkins. Well, don't kick them. Austin, be nice to the pumpkin. Yeah, that's a big one, huh? Ooh. What you doing, honey? Are you comfy? Austin, are you sitting on the pumpkin? What you doing, honey? Oh, that's gonna hurt. Goofball. You gonna find a new pumpkin to sit on? Hey, mister.